Week 6 of Kari's prompts. It was a tricky one. Main color blue, accent color red. We were really thrown off by the words. But you will see here in just a moment exactly how all that played out. If you have a chance, please show your support by liking this video, commenting below, and now let's get started. Alright guys, this is what happens when you just kind of hit a roadblock or hit a building.
Well, actually, it's not that we don't have enough stuff, we have too much.
Yeah, and we're trying to fit it in a space that we believe is probably one of our problems. And then, so actually let's just go through this. This is week 6, Kari's prompts. Love the blue, love the red. Words, that's kind of where things really started going south, because woman is fickle. Number one, I just had a real issue with anyway, just because, I mean,
I don't think you should promote that sort of thing.
No, we are not fickle women, so it's really hard for me to even fathom.
Yeah, if you
fickleness.
If you were to put this on a bell curve, we're over on the other end.
Fickle's over here, and we're like,
over there.
Like, you know, across the room and, you know, through the meadow and away we go, behind this building. Yeah. So that was part of a thing, and so I'm like, all right, but I can still work with this. Like, I can turn this woman is fickle into something. So I went with, I started out, where's my little...
It was with the...
Yeah, it's here. Sorry. Okay, so... And P got very involved in the writing of things, so we'll show her pages of ideas and things here. So, I was kind of like, don't be fickle, woman. Blue or red, because, you know, the blue and the red, and then we had the building, and it was like, you know, this choice. A red house, a blue building, or, you know, something like that. I really liked that whole idea of the blue being the dominant one, and there being the bigger building with many living there. I don't know. So that's kind of where I was going. And then I liked this whole idea of whoa, man, instead of just woman. Because I don't like that either. Like, don't call me woman. No. Well, I do have a friend that used to call me woman all the time. I thought, you know.
But you have to know me pretty well before you can
get
away with something like that.
Exactly. So, this is where we were at with this whole thing. and then P brought in the don't be fickle, whoa man kind of thing. And then we were like, all right, it might be kind of cool between melding the blue and the red and bringing in the purple road in between the two buildings. This idea...
We actually had some imagery that would go along with...
So part of our problem is that our stuff is a bit big for our area. And you probably hear the baby in the background laughing, so they're just playing around. Sorry about that.
Laughing, we're happy.
Yeah, crying is when things get tricky. So one of our problems is that, like, it's all sort of there. We just haven't quite hit the mark. And I really do like P's... What is it? Fate can be fickle as a feather flying in the wind.
I like all the F's.
we do love some alliteration.
Yes, we do.
We do. We are fans of the alliteration.
Mm-hmm.
So this is kind of where we're at, and this is where we're leaving it because we're sort of stuck, and we still wanted to be able to get the video out. So I'm going to take a picture of this, and this is going to be the thumbnail and all of that. Check back later. Who knows?
It will happen. It
will.
When will it happen?
And then on what stage? Because it just may not be...
I love all these little bits.
Okay, yeah, so I sprayed. That's why I have all those out. I made the big spray. Oh, yeah, and I got a little, you know, Crazy Town. I don't know if you guys remember the whimsical journal page that, you know, was saved by, you know, the burning fires in the background. I was having, you know, flashbacks to burning fires.
Bloody mayhem.
Yes, for those poor whimsical little characters, but we pulled that one out. So we once again will. It's just not gonna be now, not today, not in this video. So we do apologize for that, but we did want to get the video out and
let you know that we weren't just lollygagging. We really were working with this, and I've been working on it for a couple days.
Yeah, we both
Trying
have.
to, and it's just, you know, sometimes it doesn't happen. It's just something for later. Yeah.
And I think that's important, just as important to let you guys know that, you know what, I said this in our intro, that we'll even show the mess ups or the, I don't call it a fail, because we will make this happen.
Oh, we will.
It'll just go into the, you know, we gotta come back at that later. We're missing something. And again, I think it's sort of the either larger format or I shrink these down because, you know, I have some of this stuff digitally, so that could happen. I just can't pull it together this week. So, week 6, stay tuned. ... to be continued. We do appreciate you guys watching so very much, and we'll see you in week 7. Can't wait to see what Kari pulls out on Saturday. Maybe that will be a bit more of a, you know, we'll have better luck with that one. So, till then, next time, see you on Saturday.
See you on Saturday.
Bye.
Bye.
Once again, thank you for watching. Like the video if you haven't, and let us know what you thought about it in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit that bell. That way you'll get notified. Bye.